Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Hello everyone, looking at natural gas on the daily and weekly time frame. So the trade idea suggested at the last video, fortunately the bulls erased that before the start of today, breaking through 2812 in pre-market action and showing us that the bulls were still in full control. So they are establishing higher lows and higher highs every time we set a nice base and then continue to the upside. That shows the bulls are in full control. Just keeping an eye on RSI levels. The daily is at 76. The weekly still has room. We're at 69, breaking above the 100-week moving average. If we close above 277 this week, that will be a bullish indication. On the other time frames, we're looking at the hourly. We've got RSI at 80. 4-hour chart, RSI is above 70, in the mid-70s. And we're watching the weekly here. Look at all this price action back in February to March and April of 2015. Lots of tops in the 290s. So 2922, 955, 934, 934. You get the idea. There is lots of resistance in these 290s, and the fact that we've seen 5 green weeks in a row, the RSI is hitting 70 on natural gas. We can see we have broken above 70 a couple times here on the weekly, but not for significant periods of time. So there was a nice huge spike here, and even then RSI got up to 76 and then pulled back. So once the RSI does get above 70 on the weekly time frame, we know to start looking for potential pullbacks, but there are still plenty of instances where it does get up into the mid 70s. So if this move keeps going, if we could get up to the mid 290s at all this previous price resistance, with the RSI getting a little overbought, we will continue to look for potential weakness, but not fighting the trend as of right now. And anytime you are fighting the trend, you're anticipating the pullback to be short-lived, and you're keeping a tight stop loss because the direction is against you. So natural gas resistance from here, 2934 will be the next key level, as we saw 2 tops there on the weekly from back in 2015. And support, we can look at the hourly. Strong support. We established a base here at 2815 before the next leg to the upside, and then we can look at previous resistance levels. 277 acted as resistance. So we are forming a bearish reversal candlestick and confirming it for the first time after this big time breakout, but we'll anticipate it's just going to form a higher low, and then we'll see what tomorrow brings. So I appreciate you watching. Bulls in full control, keeping an eye on those weekly resistances in the mid 290s. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.